Sa akin ang lapis na ito. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back to my channel, Let's Go Tagalog, the channel that is dedicated in guiding you in your journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. We are continuing our discussion on Group 3 personal pronouns, which is part of a huge topic, the Tagalog personal pronouns. Since episode 21, I have been talking about the Tagalog personal pronouns and how they are divided into 3 groups which linguists call by various names. But in this channel, we will just call them Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 because it's less complicated. Well, there's actually, sort of a Group 4, but that is a topic for another day. Got it? In this video, we are continuing our discussion on Group 3 personal pronouns, which is used in the following instances: to express possession or ownership of something, to express relationship between 2 people or with a living thing, to express the location of something, which is the topic of this video, and its use as the object of a sentence. If this is your first time watching my channel, or if you wish to review, please check out the playlist and check out the videos labeled Personal Pronouns. In episode 42, I talked about these patterns. Ang lapis na ito ay sa akin. This pencil is mine. Sa akin ang lapis na ito. This pencil is mine. And in episode 43, these patterns. Ito ay aking lapis. Aking lapis ito. This is my pencil, which you can shorten to, ito ay sa akin. Sa akin ito. This is mine. All these patterns convey ownership of something. But in episode 49, we learned of these patterns that convey relationship. These are, si Peter ay aking kaibigan. Aking kaibigan si Peter. Peter is my friend. If you have missed this, the link is in the description down below. Please do check it out. The patterns that we will discuss in this video will center on the locative qualities of Group 3 personal pronouns. Locative is just a fancy word to mean where something is located. I sometimes like to use fancy words to make me look smart, But anyway, tara, simulan na natin. In the patterns we will use the Tagalog preposition nasa, which is the equivalent of the English preposition in, on, at, of, by, etc. You will remember that I have talked about nasa in episode 36. Our simple Tagalog patterns are, ang lapis ay nasa akin. Nasa akin ang lapis. These sentences in the formal and casual forms can mean 2 things in English. The first one would be, the pencil is with me. Or the second one would be, I have the pencil. By using the preposition nasa, the sentence points exactly to the location of the object. In this case, the pencil. With Group 3 personal pronouns being used, that location is with a person or persons. Please note, however, that to say in English, I have a pencil, can have a different form in Tagalog. The direct equivalent would be, ako ay may lapis, with my as the Tagalog word for have. I've touched on this subject in episode 47. You will find the link down below. Ituloy natin. Ang libro ay nasa atin. Nasa atin ang libro. The book is with us, or we have the book, including the listener. Ang tasa ay nasa amin. Nasa amin ang tasa. The cup is with us, or we have the cup, excluding the listener. Ang mga sapatos ay nasa iyo. Nasa iyo ang mga sapatos. The shoes are with you, or you have the shoes. Remember the plural marker mga? You add mga to a word to convert that word into the plural form. Remember? Let's move on. Ang mga litrato ay nasa inyo. Nasa inyo ang mga litrato. The pictures are with you, or you have the pictures. Plural subject. You see the plural marker again in these sentences. Ang periodiko ay nasa kanya. Nasa kanya ang periodiko. The newspaper is with him or her. Or he or she has the newspaper. Periodico is of Spanish origin. Another word for periodico would be diario, which comes from the Spanish diario, which means daily. Ituloy natin. Ang mga paninda ay nasa kanila. Nasa kanila ang mga paninda. The products are with them, or they have the products. Paninda is product intended to be sold in the store, or a product being offered for sale. Produkto is the general term for product. It includes the paninda being offered for sale, or the items being developed, produced, or in storage. Got it? Now, by inference, you can shorten any of these sentences into nasa akin. Depending on the context, it could mean with me, it's with me, they're with me. Nasa atin. With us, it's with us, they're with us, including the listener. Nasa amin. With us, it's with us, they're with us, excluding the listener. Nasa iyo. With you, it's with you, they're with you. Nasa inyo. With you, it's with you, they're with you. Plural form. Nasa kaniya. With him or her, it's with him or her, they're with him or her. Nasa kanila. With them, it's with them, they're with them. So, you can ask the question, nasaan ang lapis? Where is the pencil? You can reply with, ang lapis ay nasa akin. Nasa akin ang lapis. The pencil is with me. Or, I have the pencil. Or, just shorten it into, nasa akin. By the way, aside from asking the question, nasaan ang lapis? You can also ask, nakanino ang lapis? Which loosely translates to, whom is the pencil with? But more contextual equivalent in English would be, who has the pencil? And you can answer in the same way. We have talked about kanino in episode 43. Kanino is the equivalent of the English whose. Nakanino is a question word that asks where, but with the expectant answer to be with whom or with someone. This is different from the question word NASAAN, which also means where, but with the expectant answer to be at a certain location and not with a person. I know it's a bit confusing, but I promise we are going to talk about that extensively in the future. So there, these are some sentence patterns to convey the location of something using Group 3 personal pronouns. There are more patterns on this subject and I will be talking about those in the next video. So please do check it out. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please hit the like button. I will appreciate it very much. And please remember to click on subscribe if you haven't, and the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos I am putting up regularly. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat at hanggang sa susunod.